Welcome to Zen Wheels. The 2025 Nissan Altima arrives as a bold evolution of one of Nissan's most popular sedans, combining sleek styling, advanced technology, and strong performance to meet the demands of today's modern drivers. With this refresh, Nissan has elevated the Altima's appeal by giving it a more aggressive and athletic design language, while also enhancing comfort, safety, and connectivity inside the cabin. It's a car that successfully balances everyday practicality with a touch of sportiness, making it an excellent choice for both families and individuals looking for a well-rounded midsize sedan. From the exterior, the 2025 Altima commands attention with its refined aesthetics. The front fascia has been updated with a larger, more sculpted V-motion grille, flanked by sharper LED headlights that give it a more futuristic and assertive face. The lines across the body are smooth yet purposeful, guiding airflow efficiently and contributing to its aerodynamic efficiency. With a slightly lowered stance and newly designed alloy wheels, the Altima exudes confidence and presence on the road. Optional exterior color choices, including bold metallics and deep pearl finishes, give buyers more ways to personalize their vehicle and stand out. Inside the cabin, the changes are equally impressive. Nissan has reimagined the interior with a premium touch, introducing soft-touch materials, contrast stitching, and improved ergonomics throughout the dashboard and seating. The centerpiece is the brand-new 12.3-inch high-resolution touchscreen, which replaces the older infotainment system and now includes wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto as standard. The layout is clean and intuitive, making it easy for drivers to access navigation, media, climate settings, and more without distraction. A fully digital instrument cluster adds a modern flair, while an available heads-up display keeps vital driving information within your line of sight. Comfort has also been prioritized, with zero-gravity front seats offering excellent support for long drives and generous legroom and headroom in the rear that comfortably accommodates adult passengers. Dual-zone automatic climate control, ambient interior lighting, a panoramic sunroof, and available leather upholstery all enhance the luxury experience inside. The trunk space remains competitive for the segment, with split folding rear seats offering extra versatility for carrying larger items when needed. When it comes to performance, the 2025 Altima offers two engine choices tailored to different driving needs. The standard 2.5-liter inline-4 engine delivers solid fuel efficiency and dependable everyday power, producing around 188 horsepower and paired with Nissan's smooth Xtronic CVT transmission. For those seeking more thrill behind the wheel, the available 2.0-liter VC turbo engine remains a standout option. This variable compression turbocharged engine adjusts its compression ratio in real time to deliver both power and efficiency, making up to 248 horsepower while still maintaining respectable fuel economy. Whether you're cruising on the highway or navigating city streets, the Altima responds with confidence and composure. Another key highlight is the available intelligent all-wheel drive system, which gives the Altima an edge in traction and control, especially in slippery or unpredictable weather conditions. It constantly monitors road and driving conditions, automatically distributing power between the front and rear wheels for optimized grip and handling. Safety remains a top priority for Nissan, and the 2025 Altima is fully equipped with Nissan Safety Shield 360, a comprehensive suite of driver assistance features. This includes automatic emergency braking with pedestrian detection, blind spot warning, rear cross-traffic alert, lane departure warning, high beam assist, and rear automatic braking. Optional upgrades like adaptive cruise control, traffic sign recognition, and a 360-degree surround view monitor provide even more confidence for drivers who prioritize safety and awareness. Overall, the 2025 Nissan Altima stands out as a thoughtfully updated sedan that brings together bold styling, cutting-edge technology, comfortable versatility, and responsive performance. It's ideal for drivers who want a dependable and efficient daily vehicle without compromising on features, safety, or aesthetics. With its combination of innovation and refinement, the 2025 Altima reaffirms its place as one of the most appealing options in the midsize sedan category.